Most respected Chief Minister Mamta Didi, respected Chief Minister Hemant Sorenji of Jharkhand, Honorable Ministers of the West Bengal government, esteemed dignitaries, my dear friends from industry, Shri Sanjeev Goenka, Harsh Nevotia, Sajan Jindal, Sanjeev Puri, and all my colleagues from industry, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm good afternoon to each and every one of you. It has been my privilege and honor to participate in the 8th Bengal Global Summit 2025. At the outset, I offer my prayers to Ma Kali, the presiding deity of Bengal. It is also my bounden duty to pay tributes to all the great sons and daughters of the sacred land of Bengal, from Swami Vivekananda to Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, from Bankim Chandra Chatterjee to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, from Satyajit Ray to Hemanta Mukherjee. Bengal has produced towering leaders in spirituality, literature, arts, culture, and of course, patriotism. Bengal has always been a land of renaissance. Now Bengal is also witnessing a renaissance in economy and business. Friends, I come from the western part of India. It is generally believed that western states are leaders in economy and business. But this situation is changing rapidly. For proof, just look at this Global Business Summit. Mamta Didi, my heartiest congratulations to you and your government. What a splendid summit you have organized. Each time I come here, and I have come here for every summit from 2016, I think it cannot be better. But you have proved me wrong every single time. This summit is consistently becoming bigger and more prestigious. And today, we have 20 global partner countries with us. My warm welcome to each and every one of our countries. And why is this so? Because I believe today Bengal means soaring vision. Today, Bengal means mighty ambition. Today, Bengal means efficient implementation. In short, Bengal under Mamta Didi means business. And Mamta Didi always means business, and business from her heart. What the Chief Minister promises, her team delivers, as Saurabh said. This is the hallmark of a great leader. And in fact, she has been in office for nearly 14 years, means that Bengal has immensely benefited from policy continuity and her leadership. My dear Mamta Didi, your name Mamta stands for empathy or compassion. But Didi, in your name stands for a tireless leader. You are empathy and energy personified. Just now, Mamta Didi told me she walks 64,000 steps. And then Sajan and I are sitting with her. I said, oh, 64,000 a week. That's okay. She said, no, it's 64,000 steps every single day. And that is her energy that she has. One of your own poems has a beautiful Bengali phrase, Mayer Mukh Swargo Sukh. It translates to a mother's face is the bliss of heaven. It reflects the cultural sentiment in Bengal and beyond, where a mother's love is considered sacred and divine. Empathy for the common people is the guiding principle on all your policies and welfare schemes. This is most striking, seen in your initiatives for the education of the girl child, women's empowerment, and poverty alleviation. All of India needs this kind of inclusive and sustainable model of development so that no Indian is left behind and no region in India is left behind. Thank you for your leadership, Mamta Didi.